Hello and welcome to this episode of where we will describe the override button. This is a button which we have patented. So why did we do this? Yes, that's what we're gonna explain in this video. It's really good and it's something that we have thought about and that's been invented just because of a lot of years experience. We have done a lot of support and a lot of calls related to the safety functions. And if you can't breach the safety functions, you won't be able to close or open the gate. When you're standing home on a Friday evening and cooking meatballs for your family, that is typically when you get these phone calls. I can't close the gate, come here quickly. And it gives you a lot of stress. You need to find someone that's gonna release the gate, close it manually, and it's typically not the person that knows how to operate the gate that phones. It's normally someone that normally works on a different site, maybe a builder or something, that phones you and said, oh, I can't close, I have no keys, I have no remotes. You then will be able to close the gate by overriding the safety functions and also by their help. So it's called the App and the button, this patent. In Swedish it's appen och knappen, which we think is quite funny. And like I said, the function is really good. So if on the outside of the gate, you will see this on the same side as the control cabinet, a bit further up above the stop button to not mix it, plus that there should be no kids touching it. Not that it happens anything, because it's not active unless you activate it from the app. So in fact, if it's not been activated, it does nothing. You can press as much as you want. So at the moment, I have no problem with this gate, so I won't be able to use it. But if I stand here and block the photocell, so blocking the photocell is the same as a broken photocell or that someone is in between, which means that you shouldn't be able to close the gate. I then get another button called hold to open or override. And if I click this button, I get another round button with a hand, like a warning saying, look, you're now about to activate the button. Do you really want to? And make sure you see the gate, because you have to see the gate to be able to hold the run, which you are able to do with a man standing by the gate, because you can't touch the button if you're not by the gate. So once you've confirmed that I've been checking, you can then click to activate the button. So I'm now clicking, and it's saying the button is now activated, and it will be activated for a certain amount of period. And you click OK. So then you can click hold the button, and it will then open the gate. So this works both in opening and closing direction, depending on what you need it for. So sometimes it's the stop button that is causing the problem. You then can both open and close the gate. A photocell is only active in the closing direction, so you would always be able to open the gate but not close. On a sliding gate, you have safety edges for opening direction and closing direction. You then are able to both open and close by this. Once you're ready, you can click stop, and then it will stop the button to be active. So now the button is not active. Doesn't work. Okay, so I think this explained a bit how it works. There is one more thing when the button is active. So for example, if the gate is like it's now, in between somewhere, me being off site, I don't know if the gate is open or closed. So if I had a possibility to open or close the gate, it could be very fatal, it could be very dangerous, because I don't know if someone's been squashed between or something has happened. Someone might be stuck, like between the trailer and the car. Maybe not a big problem, but you don't want to close the gate and cause further problems. If someone phones and says, look, I can't close the gate, you then see that, yeah, something is funny because I've got the question mark here. It means it's in between somewhere. You then also have the option to activate this button. So by the person confirming there is no one in the way, there is nothing causing this problem, it's fine, you can use it. So you can then do the same thing. Press the hold to open or override button, activate the button, and you get OK, and then you are able to, if I manage, yes, you are then able to press, and it worked, magic. Don't miss our next episode. All the best.